SM City Cebu. A few words po, kumusta naman ang trip going to this vicinity right now?
Mayong gabi sa inyong tanan! Mayong gabi! Tama ba yun? Daghang salamat sa inyong pagpunta ngayong gabi. Manunod ba kayo ng Hold Me Close? Yes! Ito na si Kaloy.
Hi, Kaloy!
Mayong gabi! Merry Christmas to everyone! Maraming salamat sa mga punta tonight. And actually, Cebu talaga isa sa mga pinaka-favorite cities ko na city na pinupuntahan. Kasi because of the food, of the people, sobrang very welcoming. Thank you. Sana po panoorin ninyo ang Hold Me Close on December 25.
Of course, another follow-up question. So this is directed by Direct Jason Paul Laksamana, who is known to be very mapanakit. So ano ba yung i-expect ng ating mga viewers sa ating film? What kind of emotion kaya yung mafe-feel nila while watching it?
I don't know, si Direk Jason kasi is always so full of surprises. Especially when it's towards the end of his film. There's always a drop of emotion always. So, when you watch it, malalaman nyo exactly what we're talking about. But I feel like this is also a nice watch for Christmas because again, we're rated PG, so you can bring your whole family. Everyone can watch. If you want to watch, if you want to fall in love, cry a little bit, if you want to laugh a little bit, I think this is the film for you. Ikaw, what do you think makes this special? In interview.
Nandito ka eh. So, di ba? Special na yung June. Nandito ka sa movie. Yun nga, tama naman. Sobrang daming emotions yung mararamdaman niya dahil sa nga itong Jason Paul Laksamana movie. So, may drama, actually yung comedy, unexpected. Kasi yung mga timing ng mga dialogues, maganda pala na hindi namin nakikita nung sinushoot namin. So, feeling ko talaga may enjoy yung movie this Christmas.
Thank you so much, Carla and Julia. I'm sure we all have a lot of questions that we want to ask, and we want to spend a lot of time together with them, and we will have the chance later on inside that cinema. So for this time, you can take a photo together with our beautiful actress and handsome actor for Hold Me Close. Alright? So let's have this moment for a photo opportunity with only two of them, honestly.
Guapa, oy! Guapa, oy!
Can we also ask our actors to please face on our right side so they can all have...
Thank you. Yeah, just like you.
Okay, center. Then let's face right.
Guapa, Julia!
How about the left side? Okay, another 1, 2, 3. Can you raise your hands, guys? And wave. Go!
Hold Me Close, now showing in cinema.
All right, thank you so much, everyone. To wall. And for the rest of our guests who are here with us, you may now slowly get inside our cinema.